is this? This is really retarded. Hello, and welcome back to another awesome video by me. This is part 2 of my hair transformation videos. So I did start out by doing my roots. If you missed that video, make sure you go check it out, one of these places, and or on my channel. You know, I'll try to link it below too. Anyways, go check it out. That is part 1. Part 2, I am now coloring the underneath of my hair. I already have it separated because I did just do the bleaching of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for that. We're gonna color all of this a dark color. And then after that, after I color the dark, and I'm also gonna put some probably in the front, more than likely, I'm gonna go ahead and color the blonde portion of it, this periwinkle color, for part 3. So kind of stay tuned for all of these. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So the very first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and change into my crappy shirt. Alrighty, now that I have my crappy shirt on, I'm gonna go ahead and let's do gloves next. Okay, now that I have my gloves on, I can do my mixtures. Today I am using, and I always use when I do, first of all, I get all my products from Sally's Beauty Supply, and I am using Ion Color Brilliance color. This is the cream one. They do have a liquid version now, apparently, because, oh crap. Because it's been a while since I went and got normal colors. So apparently they do have some kind of liquid one, but the girl even said that a lot of people don't like it. So I'm just gonna stick with what I knew that works. What the hell is this? Why? What the hell? It is a liquid. The other one said liquid. I thought this was the cream one. And the girl even told me this was the cream one. What the fuck is this shit? Why do they change it? I hope, my concern with liquid is it's not gonna mix like it should, you know, because it's supposed to be a thick mixture. So I'm really concerned with this. I want to try it because this is all I have and I'm not going back to the store, but this is really retarded. This is really retarded that they put it in the same box as the cream one. And like, I don't know, the whole thing doesn't make sense. Anyways, okay. This is, it's called Darkest Brown 2N 2.0 is what this one is. I don't like doing black because it's really hard to get out, and I've never in my life colored my hair black. And yeah, so I just do the darkest brown possible. Definitely smells like hair dye. This is so, like, how does that even mix? How is this supposed to mix into a hair dye? Like, this makes no sense to me. It's supposed to be a thick, creamy mixture with like that. Like, this just doesn't make sense. Let's get some airflow in here. That's really bad. I've never smelled their hair dye like this before. I'm so disappointed in Ion. This is terrible. Anyways, I'm just gonna mix it like normal. I want it to be super, super dark, so I'm going with a 10 volume developer. If you want it darker, you go with the lighter colors. And for the, if you wanted it like a more of a lighter kind of variation on it, you would use like a 20 or a higher volume. So I'm gonna, like this, this is so weird. It's just gonna be a freaking liquid. Like, this makes no sense at all. Like, how am I supposed to put this on my hair? What the fuck is this? And it smells really bad. One day, they're gonna somebody's gonna invent smelling through the phone, because this shit is terrible. My eyes are burning. This is worse than bleach. Should I really be putting this in my hair? What the fuck is this? Ugh. I need a break. I gotta breathe.
A few moments later.
Ooh. Okay. This is so fucking weird. So as I mix the developer, it's like it got thick, I guess. But it's like a, honey. It looks like honey. This is so weird. This is really, really strange. I'm sorry, you're probably tired of hearing me say that. It's just not what I was expecting. Okay. So, I am going to go ahead and get some clips. Make sure that all of this hair is held up really well so it does not mix in with the bottom portion, because we don't want to get the black anywhere on the dark, anywhere on the blonde. All right, hair is down. All right, so what I just did is separate so that I can go ahead and just start underneath like this. Let's see how this goes. All right, you can see it's already turning a darker color. So maybe it'll work out, you know. I hope that it covers this blue. I was thinking the dark color should cover it. So we'll see how that turns out. Brown over blue. I will say it is developing really, really fast. Like my hair is turning dark really quick. All right, so I think that I have all of this part of my hair is done black. So this is what's left, and it is turning like a black, not black, brown, a dark kind of color now. And this is what it looks like. I kind of, you know, it's done. It is all over the place. It is all over my neck, all over the place. So I'm gonna get a rag and clean that up. All right, it seems to have wiped off pretty well. It came off pretty easily. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wipe my gloves off because I don't want to waste another pair. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a piece of hair for the top here, and just to kind of help this top part kind of blend in a little better with the darkness of the bottom. All right, so now that I have this piece of hair, I'm gonna go ahead and color this dark. I wore my hair two-toned blonde and like this dark brown color for years, and I will be having a hair transformation video coming up soon. I'm trying to put that together because there's so many different hair colors, so many different styles of hair. It's a lot to put together. So once I have that together, which should be coming up soon, you will be able to see that this is kind of like my go-to kind of hair colors. So, but yeah, so I wanted to go dark for Halloween. All right, well, I got this one done. We will see how dark this develops. So I am done with this. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on my head for about 30 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. Ta-da! This is the final result. I went ahead and, yeah, I rinsed it out. This is what it looks like. Yes, it's shorter. Yes, I trimmed it. Yes, I do it myself. No, it's not that great, but it works. And but yeah, so I still have the purple in it, but it looks definitely more two-toned than what it was before. I really enjoy the high contrast between the blonde and the dark color. It really is almost like a black, like it's super, super dark. But I like it, so that's good. So I will be doing the Periwinkle right here on top of the blonde probably in the next day or so. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, give me a big thumbs up, and check out part 3 because that'll be coming up soon. If you didn't see part 1, go check that out too. Lots of other hair tutorials, any color you can think of, I probably have it on my channel. Go check that out and subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.